Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Yuva Nidhi Unemployment Scholarship in Karnataka. This guide will help you understand the scheme, its benefits, and the application process. The Yuva Nidhi scheme provides crucial financial support to educated unemployed youth, helping them during their job search. Let's get started with the details. To be eligible for the Yuva Nidhi scheme, you must be a permanent resident of Karnataka. You need to have completed your degree or diploma in the academic year 2022 to 23 or any subsequent year. Importantly, you must have been unemployed for a minimum of 6 months after finishing your studies and not be enrolled in higher education or receiving other unemployment benefits. Before applying, ensure you have your Aadhaar card, Karnataka domicile certificate, and all educational qualification documents. Your bank account details, linked with your Aadhaar, are also essential. You can apply online via the Seva Sindhu portal by registering, filling out the application form, and uploading your documents. Alternatively, offline applications are accepted at the District Employment Exchange Office. To ensure a smooth application, double-check all information for accuracy before submission. After applying, you can track your application status on the Seva Sindhu portal using your application ID. Once approved, the financial assistance will be directly credited to your Aadhaar-linked bank account. Remember, you might need to submit a monthly self-declaration of your unemployment status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.